That bitch. She always leaves before I can tell her how I feel. Why even bother trying to slide into the DMs?
Well, I really love Tony. I just wanna take things slow and have a beautiful and meaningful relationship.
Hey Bird, I hate you.
Hey Tony.
Oh god, I killed Bird. What have I done? I did it for love. I can't take the guilt. Oh god, I'm still alive. I just need some time alone.
Got dumped again, I see. What a loser. Go hang out with Oscar.
I've traveled all over the world and I haven't met anyone as stupid as you.
You smell bad.
Can you find the loser? Oh wait, he's right there. You suck. Even I have a girlfriend and I'm bald.
I'm gonna kill you. I can't live anymore.